For over 33 years, the Hubble Space Telescope has revolutionized the way we view the cosmos, unveiling a universe filled with awe-inspiring beauty and groundbreaking discoveries. Since its launch in 1990, Hubble has not only captured the intricate details of faraway galaxies, nebulae, and star systems, but it has also exposed phenomena beyond the original scope of its design, making it an indispensable tool in the field of astronomy. The contributions Hubble has made to our understanding of the universe go far beyond what anyone could have anticipated at the time of its launch, and it continues to astonish both scientists and the general public with its stunning imagery and scientific breakthroughs. The Hubble Space Telescope, named after the legendary astronomer Edwin Hubble, was launched aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery on April 24, 1990. Since that moment, it has been orbiting the Earth at an altitude of about 547 kilometers, giving it an unobstructed, almost continuous view of the universe. Its primary mirror, 2.4 meters in diameter, allows it to collect light from some of the faintest and most distant objects known to humanity, providing clear, high-resolution images that have transformed our understanding of space. What sets Hubble apart from earlier telescopes is its ability to capture detailed, colorful images from vast distances, revealing the universe's complexity and beauty in ways that were once unimaginable. The Space Telescope's observations have not only illuminated the cosmos but have also fueled a global surge in interest in space exploration. The breathtaking images Hubble has provided have inspired millions, captivating people across the world and leading to increased support for space organizations like NASA. These images also contributed to the funding and development of future space projects. Hubble's impact is immeasurable, having made over 1.3 million observations to date and collecting over 150 terabytes of data. This data has helped scientists publish more than 15,000 scientific papers, including groundbreaking research that has provided irrefutable evidence that the universe is expanding at an accelerating rate and that black holes do indeed exist. These discoveries alone have forever altered our understanding of the cosmos. However, Hubble has also surprised astronomers by capturing events that were not part of its initial design. One of the most astonishing and unexpected discoveries was the Hubble Deep Field. In 1995, astronomer Robert Williams took the bold decision to direct Hubble to focus on an empty patch of sky for several days. This decision was met with skepticism from the scientific community, with many experts questioning why time was being devoted to such a seemingly unremarkable section of the sky. But the results were nothing short of revolutionary. The resulting image, which was released in 1996, revealed thousands of distant galaxies, some so far away that their light had traveled billions of years to reach us. This unprecedented view provided an invaluable glimpse into the early universe, showing galaxies in the process of formation and offering insights into the very origins of the cosmos. The Hubble Deep Field image not only transformed our understanding of the universe's early stages but also set the stage for future telescopic discoveries. In 2023, when the James Webb Space Telescope was launched, it captured its own deep field image as a tribute to Hubble's legacy. This new deep field image is a testament to how far we've come since Hubble first opened our eyes to the vastness of the universe and the wonders hidden within it. Another unexpected event that Hubble witnessed was the collision of two asteroids in 2010, known as P2010A2. The event took place in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter and was incredibly rare. Asteroids that far from Earth are usually too small to be observed, but Hubble's precision allowed astronomers to capture the violent encounter in stunning detail. The collision resulted in an X-shaped pattern of debris and dust that spread out into space, creating a spectacle that resembled the tail of a comet. This was a truly remarkable observation, providing scientists with a rare opportunity to study the dynamics of asteroid collisions, which could offer clues about the early solar system and the formation of celestial bodies. Hubble has also captured some of the most visually spectacular phenomena in the universe, such as the tapestry of blazing stars, a region where new stars are being born. This image, which shows a vibrant mix of gas, dust, and young stars, offers a breathtaking view of a star-forming region in a distant galaxy. For the first time, scientists could observe star formation processes in full splendor, witnessing the contrast between dark clouds of dust and the bright, newly formed stars that light up the surrounding space. These stellar nurseries, often surrounded by glowing gas clouds, are critical for understanding how stars like our Sun come into existence and evolve over time. Hubble has also provided us with an unparalleled view of Jupiter and its auroras, which were captured in remarkable detail in 2016. While auroras on Earth are familiar to most people, Jupiter's auroras are on an entirely different scale. The gas giant's powerful magnetic field directs high-energy particles from the solar wind into its upper atmosphere, where they collide with hydrogen molecules, causing the vivid blue glow that Hubble captured. Unlike Earth's green auroras, which are caused by oxygen molecules in our atmosphere, Jupiter's auroras are predominantly blue due to the difference in atmospheric composition. These observations are not only visually striking but also provide valuable information about the planet's magnetic field and atmospheric processes. One of the most intriguing discoveries made by Hubble is the evidence of liquid water beneath the icy surface of Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. While Hubble did not directly discover life on Europa, it played a key role in uncovering signs that could suggest the moon's potential for harboring life. Hubble's observations revealed plumes of water vapor erupting from the surface of Europa, indicating the presence of a subsurface ocean. This discovery has prompted NASA to plan missions that will explore Europa further, including efforts to drill through the thick ice crust and explore the water beneath. The possibility that life could exist in the depths of this icy moon has made Europa one of the most promising places to search for signs of extraterrestrial life in our solar system. In addition to observing distant galaxies and mysterious celestial bodies, Hubble has also shown us some of the most beautiful structures in the universe, such as the Great Bubble Nebula. This blue cosmic wonder, located 8,000 light-years away from Earth, is a stellar remnant of a massive star that has expelled its outer layers. The nebula, captured by Hubble's sharp eye, reveals intricate details of its glowing gases and complex structure, providing us with a glimpse into the life cycle of massive stars and the dramatic processes that take place when they reach the end of their lives. Hubble has also turned its gaze toward the outer reaches of our solar system, observing planets like Uranus and its moons. One of the most captivating events observed was the transit of Ariel, one of Uranus's 5 large moons, across the face of the planet. This rare event provided astronomers with the opportunity to study both the moon and the planet's atmosphere in great detail. By analyzing the changes in light as Ariel passed in front of Uranus, scientists were able to draw conclusions about the moon's atmosphere and weather patterns on the planet itself. These observations, made possible by Hubble, have provided invaluable insights into the physical and chemical properties of Uranus and its moons. Perhaps one of the most intellectually stimulating observations made by Hubble involved the phenomenon known as the relativity of the rings. This phenomenon, which is a direct consequence of Einstein's theory of general relativity, occurs when the light from a background object, such as a distant galaxy, is bent by the gravitational field of an intervening object, such as a galaxy or a cluster of galaxies. The resulting distortion of light forms rings or arcs, known as Einstein rings, around the foreground object. These rings provide scientists with valuable information about the distribution of dark matter and the expansion of the universe, offering a unique way to study cosmic structures and the forces that shape them. As Hubble celebrates its 33rd anniversary, it continues to provide us with breathtaking images and invaluable scientific data. From distant galaxies to the mysteries of our own solar system, Hubble has brought the wonders of the universe into sharper focus and has forever changed the way we view the cosmos. The images captured by this remarkable telescope are not just beautiful, they are also full of scientific insights that help us piece together the puzzle of the universe. The impact of Hubble on our understanding of the cosmos cannot be overstated, and as it continues to operate in the final years of its service, it will undoubtedly provide us with even more discoveries that will continue to captivate and inspire future generations.